We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users are saying about the Dinosaur DIY Decor. Boys' bedroom decorative light switch cover. Plate for kids' room, nursery toddler room, playroom by Create a Mural. If you own this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description using it supports the channel. The Dinosaur DIY Decor light switch cover plate is designed as a playful and functional accent for children's spaces. Measuring 3 inches by 5 inches, this mid-size single toggle switch plate is made from durable plastic and features a printed dinosaur design exclusive to Create a Mural. The product is made in the USA, and each cover comes with matching screws for a seamless, coordinated look. The switch plate is intended to fit standard toggle switches and is marketed as easy to install and easy to clean, requiring only a damp rag for maintenance. The bright, bold colors and cheerful dinosaur motif are intended to appeal to toddlers, young children, tweens, and teens, making it a versatile choice for nurseries, playrooms, and bedrooms. One of the standout features frequently mentioned by users is the visual impact of the design. Many parents note that the colors are vibrant and the dinosaur print is engaging, helping to set a fun and inviting tone in their child's room. The matching screws are a small but appreciated detail, ensuring that the overall appearance is not disrupted by mismatched hardware. For families redecorating or updating their child's space, this switch plate is often described as the perfect finishing touch, tying together other dinosaur-themed decor elements. Ease of installation is another commonly cited advantage. Most users report that the switch plate can be installed in less than a minute, with clear instructions provided and all necessary hardware included. The lightweight plastic construction allows for straightforward alignment and secure attachment with the provided screws. Even those with minimal DIY experience find the process simple and hassle-free, which is especially valuable for busy parents looking for quick and effective room updates. Durability is a key consideration for any product intended for use in children's rooms, and feedback on this front is generally positive. The plastic material is described as sturdy and resilient, holding up well to the daily wear and tear typical in a child's environment. Some users mention that while they might have preferred a metal or harder plastic construction, the existing material has proven sufficient for its intended use, with no reports of cracking or breaking under normal conditions. The easy clean surface is another benefit, as it allows parents to quickly wipe away fingerprints or smudges, maintaining the switch plate's bright appearance over time. Performance in terms of usability is straightforward. The switch plate does not interfere with the function of the light switch and fits standard toggle switches as advertised. The dimensions are accurate, and users appreciate that the product does not protrude excessively from the wall or create any operational issues. The printed design remains vibrant even after repeated cleaning, and the colors do not fade or peel, according to multiple long-term users. One of the most frequently mentioned positive outcomes is the reaction of children to the new switch plate. Parents report that their toddlers and young children are delighted by the dinosaur motif, with some children becoming more interested in using the light switch independently. This can be a subtle but valuable encouragement for children learning about their environment and developing fine motor skills. The switch plate becomes not just a decorative item, but also a small part of a child's daily routine, adding a bit of fun and engagement to an otherwise mundane task. The product's affordability is another highlight. Many reviewers note that the switch plate is priced competitively, making it an accessible option for families on a budget or those looking to update multiple rooms. The combination of low cost, high visual impact, and ease of installation makes it a popular choice for parents seeking quick decor solutions that do not require significant investment or effort. There are a few minor drawbacks mentioned by users. Some would have preferred a heavier or more premium-feeling material, such as metal, for added durability or aesthetic appeal. However, most agree that the plastic construction is adequate for its purpose and poses no safety concerns. A small number of users mention that the product is only available in a single configuration, which may not suit homes with different switch types or layouts. Despite these minor limitations, overall satisfaction remains high. The product's strong customer rating, with an average of 4.6 out of 5 stars across over 600 reviews, reflects widespread approval. It ranks highly in its category, particularly among nursery switch plates, indicating its popularity and reliability. The fact that the design is exclusive to Create a Mural and printed in the USA is an added bonus for those who prefer to support small businesses and domestic manufacturing. In summary, the Dinosaur DIY Decor Boys Bedroom Decorative Light Switch Cover Plate stands out as a simple yet effective way to personalize and brighten up a child's room. Its engaging design, ease of installation, and durable construction make it a favorite among parents and children alike. While some may wish for a more premium material, the product delivers excellent value for its price point and fulfills its intended purpose admirably. The overwhelmingly positive feedback from users underscores its appeal as a decorative accent that combines fun, function, and affordability. If you are looking for a quick and cheerful upgrade for your child's bedroom, nursery, or playroom, this switch plate is a strong contender. Remember to check the link in the description if you're interested in purchasing, and please leave your own review in the comments if you have experience with this product to help others make informed choices.